This is what you can get in BGC for 24,000 pesos per month, no down payment. So this is a 45 square meter studio unit in Uptown Modern. For its size, very spacious na yung ganitong unit, pwedeng i-convert into one bedroom. Semi-furnished, smart home equipped, and complete with hotel type amenities. It also has futuristic features like e-vehicle parking and charging station and high-speed elevators. By the way, comment the word studio so I can send you the full details. The best thing about this condo is yung location. Dahil nga located sa BGC, everything is within your reach. Walking distance sa malls, hospital, and only few kilometers away from an international airport. Surrounded ng offices and schools, kaya okay din iparent and Airbnb dahil nga meron na tayong captured market. Also, this is going to be the last residential condo project dito sa Uptown BGC and the turnover is on 2031. Again, you may secure your investment here for as low as 24,000 pesos per month without any down payment. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or send a direct message. Salamat!